Skywest 3807, reverse, hold short, 124 left.
First and ultra 24 left, Skywest 3807.
Skywest 3807, cross, 124 left, ground point 65.
Turn across 24 left, over ground point 65, good day, Skywest 3807.
LA Tower Alpha 742 is in out for the visual 24 ring.
So 742, lost in center, wind 240, center with 24 right, clear to land.
24 right, clear to land, Alpha 742.
Alaska Airlines, operated by Horizon Air, Flight 2132 on its way to San Jose, California.
Horizon 2132, RNAV Delray, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
Horizon 2132, RNAV Delray, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
JetBlue 943, hold short, runway 24 left.
All right, get ready for one of these amazing arrivals we're having here. The airplane's passing right in front, our full moon over Southern California. Andres, thank you for your support, my friend. Supporting what we do here at LA Flights. Many thanks to you, Andres Belmonte, and to viewers like you. Thank you very much.
JetBlue 943, cross 124 left, can I go 0.65?
Southwest Flight 742 coming in from San Jose, 737-700. As we go back to the moon shot. Sounds like the name of a movie. I said that on back on Saturday. Sounds like a movie. Movie's title. Back to the moon shot, everybody.
Southwest 742, reverse, cross 124 left, can I ground 0.65?
Let's start to flush up.
Can you focus a little? Or is it just like bad lighting? Yeah, okay. Do you have your phone? My brother taking pictures of the moon, of the new full moon. Check the pictures out on Instagram, LA_flight 747. SVC Quest, my friend, I see your support.
1024, lost in turn, runway 24 left, line of wait.
Big super chat, SVC Quest. Steven from Alameda, thank you so much. Steven saying, Peter, it's a great gig now, but follow your dreams. All the best to LA flight success. Thank you so much. Yeah, video right there. Beautiful shots, look at that. Oh, yeah.
1024 RNAV Delray, runway 24 left, left takeoff.
RNAV to Delray, clear for takeoff on 24 left, Delta 1024.
Tiffany 102, heavy hold, short, runway 24 left.
Oh, start running 24 left.
Tiffany 102, heavy cross, runway 24 left, and ground point 65.
Yes, welcome, of course, welcome to the Philippine Airlines Flight 102 coming in from Manila, arriving here just a few...
1024, good day.
What a beautiful shot that was. Guys, come on, look at that. Yeah, that was... Josh was telling me, that was a beautiful shot of the airplane. Landing. That aircraft was landing on the south side, passing right in front of the moon. Beautiful. Guys, like that. You know the drill. Like the stream, guys. Wonderful. Let's welcome the Philippine Airlines Flight 102 from Manila, a Boeing 777-300ER.
Oh, Tower 1097 ILS 24 right.
Lost 1097, lost 10, wind 250 up 6, runway 24 right, clear to land.
24 right, cool, 1097.